Welcome everybody, it is Crypto Moose and it's time to get loose. Mitchell Bouchard, your crypto and NFT investor. What we're going to do on this episode is teach you step by step how you can stake some of your crypto assets using your Tangem. So right now I am screen recording and here you can see the Tangem app. And what we're going to do is show you step by step how you can begin to stake some of your assets. So if you guys do get something out of this, please smash the like button, comment, subscribe, and without further ado, let's dive right into it. So let's start off with a quick intro, and then what I'm going to do is get into each step. So I've got it broken down into, 5 steps. So we're going to have 5 steps on how to do this, and we're going to keep it simple and effective. So first off, you should be following Tangem using Twitter, any other social media platform. It's probably going to be a good idea. So Tangem, for those of you that don't know, they create a wallet. It's a cold storage / hardware wallet. Basically, when you sign transactions, you add this as an intermediary. In this case, you tap your card. They also have a Tangem ring coming out. So what you're able to do now is not only hold more assets than a couple months ago, but you can now stake your assets and earn some passive income or yield. So here we've got Tangem Markets. That's relatively new. By the way, we're September 26, 2024. And as you can see here, staking. So stake and earn rewards in the Tangem app. Tangem now supports native staking for multiple cryptocurrencies, including Solana, Cosmos, and Tron. So attention, the app is rolling out gradually in the App Store. So we're going to get into how you can begin to earn passive income. And I'm going to keep this simple and effective for you all. On top of this, I will send you to my link tree so you guys can save up to 10% off right now using code MOOSE. So let's dive into the steps. So step 1, buy a Tangem wallet and set it up. Okay, so guys, this is my link tree. I've got it pinned in basically every video. And right here, if you guys click on Tangem, you guys can get a link to this wallet and save 10% off using code MOOSE. So you can pick up a pair of these for less than $50. And this is such an easy sell, and I talk about it all the time, but I've been carrying this in my wallet. It's getting dirty, dusty. I've been using it along with my crypto card, the crypto.com card, for a long time. So that's my crypto.com card, trying to hide stuff. But at the end of the day, this is an awesome hardware wallet, and I love making content regarding anything Tangem related. So I really do enjoy the updates. So on top of this, let me hit you guys up with a link and share with you a previous video that I've done that will help you out as well. So if you guys have not set up one of these wallets, all you're going to do is go to the channel, subscribe, right? Go under videos, and just type in Tangem. It should be our most popular video right now. But if it's not, I have a setup guide. So if you are unsure how to set up the wallet, I've got a step-by-step guide. On top of this now, you can also write down your seed phrase. So you can go above and beyond just having multiple cards, but you can write down your seed phrase. So you can set up a non-custodial wallet. That's what this is, meaning you own your keys. So if an online exchange ever goes down, no worries at all. So that's going to be step 1, guys. Pick up a card, set it up. Number 2, you're going to want to do a software update. So right now I am screen recording with my phone. I already did this when I was in the car. So as good as the hardware is, the software will continue to get better, meaning we will be able to support more layer 1 assets, more ERC20s, etc., more alts, and of course memes. But ultimately, if you guys go to the App Store, at least I know that this is how I do it with my iPhone. We're going to type in Tangem. Okay, so Tangem Wallet and Tangem Crypto Wallet. So I already did this a little bit earlier. All you're going to do here is update the software. And once you do that, you can then open up the app and you can begin to scan your card. So we're going to log into our account. So here, all I'm going to do is put in my passcode, tap again, and now we are in our account. If you're holding crypto on an online exchange, they could hack your account, send tokens to their own address if they know your password. In the case of a hardware wallet, a Tangem, they have to physically tap the device, know where it is, and know your password. So it adds another layer of protection. So here we have a little bit of assets. And what we're going to do is move on to step number 3. All right, so what we're going to do now is add some assets for step number 3. So I'm going to assume that you own a Tangem now and you've already updated the software for either iOS or Android. And now you're going to add tokens so you can swap. Let's say in this case, we got some Tether. We could swap and get some Solana. So perhaps we can do that. Let's go in here. And we only have a couple bucks in Solana, and that will be one of the assets here. Currently, at this point in time, you can stake either Solana, Tron, or Cosmos, also known as Atom. So those are your 3 options. What we're going to do is stake a little bit of Solana. So you have a couple options. And if you guys want, head over to my YouTube channel. I have different videos showing you how to add different tokens, how to send and receive as well. So in fact, what I'll do is put that up here as well. So here, sending crypto to Tangem. This video's done quite well as well. So that's going to teach you step by step how you can send and receive tokens using the app. So what we're going to do is go here to Tether, and what we're going to do is just do a simple swap. We could also just send assets to our public address. But in this case, let's just do a little swap. So here I'm going to do $40 worth. Okay, so that's going to cost me $5 worth of Tron, which we could also stake. Okay, so I just want to add a little bit to our position here, make it fun. So now we scan the card, and now the swap is in progress. So now if we take a look at the app and we go back out, our initial balance is $53, and that will change. So now we're at $9. All right, so all we're going to do right now is wait for the swap to finish. Then we'll get back to step number 4. Again, I also wanted to mention that you can send tokens to your address. So for example, here I've got a Phantom wallet. So this is a Solana hot wallet. Let's say we wanted to add another layer of protection by sending it to cold storage. And we would send Solana and paste our address here. So using our phone, we would go to receive. And all we would do is send Solana to this public address. Once the tokens hit the address, they will then be stored on the private keys on the blockchain. So that's another way you can go about it as well. Okay, so now we're ready to stake our Solana, also known as Sol. So here we've got 41 USD worth. And all we're going to do is hit on Solana. And you're going to notice stake. So even if we scroll around, you could either buy, send, receive, swap. But underneath, we now have stake, which I like a lot. So we're going to hit on stake. And what I like about this is the percentage. All right, so taking a look at the app, it's showing us that we can earn up to 7.5%, which is pretty good. Rewards claiming is auto, which I like. So it will take a warm-up period of 3 days. So don't expect to be earning right away. But after 3 days, I believe we will begin to earn. So let's stake. So now what we can do is go to max. And then what I like to do is bring it down a bit. So here we've got 0.26. By the way, you want to estimate how expensive a token is. In the case of Solana, similar to Meld, Cardano, it doesn't require a lot in terms of gas fees. So we only need to keep a little bit of Sol in our wallet. So we could do 0.25, and by having $2 or $3 left over, that will be more than enough for us to, sign another transaction or to move some alts around as well. So now we'll go to next, and showing us 7.5. So our validator will be POPs, and our network fee is 1 penny. So let's hit sign here. And now we're going to put in our access code. I've got mine set up quite nicely. And now we're going to scan our card. And there we go. So now we've approved that transaction. All right, so we've now staked our Solana, and moving into step number 5 is to enjoy those rewards. Very simple. I want to keep this video short and sweet and simple and effective for you. So we're going to hit it with the refresh just by scrolling down again. So here it's going to show us that our wallet balance went down to 972. But if we click on Solana, we can check out our all and available. So our available is $2. So that's what we have to spend right now. But if we go to all, you can see that we have 0.26 total. So we've got roughly 0.25, a quarter of a sol there. And yeah, we're going to be earning some passive income with that. So that is how you stake. It is going to be very similar with Cosmos. So Cosmos, you're going to hit stake. Make sure that you send tokens to your public address. Same with Tron and any other asset that comes available for staking. You guys know that the Moose is going to get loose and show you step by step how to take advantage of that. So guys, head over to the link tree. If you have not already picked up a Tangem, please do so. This has ultimately been very big for the channel. So we've had over 650 wallets sold now using our code Moose. So that has helped out this channel. It's motivated myself to create more content like this. And going forward, I'm really excited to see what Tangem has in store. So you guys can also pre-order a Tangem ring, save 10% using code Moose. And on top of this, guys, it's an easy sell because I love this product. I use it every day, literally every day. And yeah, I'm looking forward to the future. So with that being said, the Moose is loose. We'll see you in the next one.